Hey guys, so I figured I would do another one of these where I'm walking during the daytime because I've been doing more nighttime ones lately, so I figured I would make a couple more daytime ones again because, well, I don't want there to be too many nighttime ones, although there already is. Oh my God! You hear that loud motor? Not even 40 seconds in, and I'm already hearing a loud motor. Also, my area's been having more Robinson cicadas lately. You may have noticed by the videos I'm uploading. I've been hearing one quite a bit here lately, and I've also had more lyric cicadas too. From what I've heard them a little more lately too. I think I've actually heard the Robinsons more than the lyric though, so that's interesting. Especially considering the fact that last year I had a lot more lyric than Robinsons. And I feel like the swamp cicadas are very low in my area this year. I did have more, but I, I don't know. I feel like I did have more earlier this year, but I don't have as many now. Southern ground crickets. I'm hearing a robin somewhere. Yeah, it's about that time of day where the robins kind of dominate. Oh, speaking of a lyric cicada, I hear one. Sounds like it's over there. Yep, it is. You might have been able to heard glimpses of it. I know I did. I'm hearing a Allard's ground cricket somewhere behind me. I'm hearing a robin down here somewhere. Oh, there's that high-pitched noise. That thing over there that keeps the deer run off. Oh, I hear that lyric cicada again. Somewhere over there. Oh, there's a song sparrow. That's nice. I heard there's a hummingbird at that person's feeder. I don't know. I can't hold the phone very still, and I don't want to point it over there too long. Oh, listen. That lyric cicada was pretty loud over there. Oh, there's a robin there too. Oh, I'm hearing the Robinson cicada. Very faint. I doubt you can hear it. It's down that way somewhere. I did not notice that before. That bell sort of wind chime right there. I did not notice that. I noticed the other three, but not that one. There's a robin in that person's yard. Oh, I'm hearing a goldfinch somewhere right now. Oh, I'm hearing a Colombian trig. I usually don't hear those this early. Usually they call a little later. Huh. What's that? I think I'm hearing a sage trig. I think that's what I was hearing. Here lately I've had more of the Thomas's trigs though. than the says. That's one thing. The most of the meadow katydids and the handsome trigs, I hear those more during the day than at night. Even though research says they do call at night, I always hear them during the day. I never hear them at night. More southern ground crickets. Those are another one that I hear during the day, but I also hear those at night too. What was that? Oh! I'm not hearing it now though. But I think I was hearing, I think I was actually hearing a real eastern striped cricket. Not the forest scaly cricket. It sounded a lot more like the recording for the eastern striped cricket. So maybe those only call during the day too, and that's why I haven't heard them. At least in my area. There's a bird up there. Up it flew. It was one of those brown birds. It was probably a sparrow or a finch of some kind. And I'm not hearing the agile meadow katydid over there right now. I don't know how long it stayed over there. I hope it didn't leave. But of course you got idiots like that'll, like I was saying in the other video, people gotta let their grass grow as tall as it can. And then they're like, "Ooh, this has got to be cut," and then they cut it down, and it forces everything that was living in the grass to find a new home. And I think it's just sad, and it even possibly kills some of the animals when they run over them. There's a bird in that tree. What is that? I'm actually not sure. I'll have to look that up. I hear a robin over there. Well, now I'm hearing a handsome trig. For just a second, I heard one. Oh, I'm hearing the Robinson cicada. Or I was. There it is. And it just stopped again. Why is there a cowbell? That's funny. Why is there there's a cowbell on that thing, so that way everywhere it goes it'll ring. Oh God. Wait, it's a lyric cicada. That's nice. I'm not gonna stand here any longer though because of people, but I'm sure you heard it. I heard an eastern towhee, I think, just now. They must have just been a little later in my area this year, the cicadas, because I'm definitely hearing more now than I was. There was the eastern towhee. I'm pretty sure the camera got it that time. Oh, it looks like they have one of those solar wind chimes like I used to have one. It was hummingbirds. But those things just do not last long. Like, in my experience, every time I get them, they just do not. Like, they'll last for a while, but then one by one, each bulb will like burn out, or the rain will get a short in the wires. And yeah, it's just those. I don't recommend getting those solar things. They never last very long. I stopped getting them. They're pretty, but They are not built to last. But what in today's world is? Am I right? I swear, people are going to make things as fragile as possible as long as it makes them more money. That's all they care about. I'm hearing more southern ground crickets. I'm hearing a handsome trig up that way faintly. What's that? I think it's that noise from the robin I was hearing yesterday. I think that's a robin. And if I'm thinking of the right sound, the Merlin app said that was their alarm call. So I wonder if something is threatening it, or if it feels threatened. Yeah, if it was a robin, I heard the squeal and then I heard a regular robin noise. So yeah, coming from the same direction. That driver was friendly. He actually looked over and waved. That's how I wish more people were. I wish more people would. That's honestly what today's world needs is more friendly people. We got a lot of people today that just have no personality, but that guy did. He actually was nodding his head and waving at me, so that was nice. This is where I was hearing that Japanese burrowing cricket for a few nights, but then it left. I think those only call at night though. And I'm not hearing any birds right now, surprisingly. I'm hearing a lot of, whoa, listen how fast that southern ground cricket's flying. Oh, I'm hearing the Robinson cicada again. There might be more than one, because I feel like it would take longer than that for it to come all the way down here, but maybe it's just me. A handsome trig over there somewhere. I'm hearing the Robinson cicada. All right. There is more than one. I'm hearing two of them right now. What is that I'm hearing? I was hearing something new, but then it stopped. Maybe I'll hear it on the way back up, but I bet I won't. Yeah, listen, I'm hearing two Robinsons. I'm hearing one down there and one over here. And of course they stopped. I know you heard the one that was real close. I don't know if you could hear the other one though. And here comes another car. I'm hearing another Colombian trig over there. What's that I'm hearing? Oh, I'm hearing the common meadow katydid. Oh, both the Robinson cicadas are over here. I'm sure you can hear them both now. All right. All right, I'm going over here to the common meadow katydid. I would love to be able to find this thing one day. And yes, this one definitely sounds... Oh, I think there's two of them. Yeah, there is. Let me see if I can get any closer. Oh, there's one over here too. How many are there? I think there's 3 of them around here right now. This one sounds like it's right in front of me. I'm trying to find it. I probably won't though. Ooh, yeah, that's close. I don't know why I can't find it. It sounds really close. They're probably small. Oh, there, it jumped. I actually see it. I can't get my phone on it though, I don't think. It jumped. I'm still hearing others though. Oh, I think there's a lot of them through here. I think there's 4. I actually really like this. This is cool. And these definitely sound more like common meadow katydids. The one up at my neighbor sounded more like agile meadow katydids. Oh, I'm hearing a fall field cricket. That's nice. My area definitely has more Robinsons this year than I've ever heard. I'm still hearing them. See if I can find this Robinsons over here. I mean, not Robinsons. What am I talking about? What's that? What's that? That sounds like a different species. You hear that? Yeah, it sounds shorter than the common meadow katydid. What's this one? Let's see if it goes. That's it's ground cricket, I think. It sounds a little fast for one, but I think where it's just warmer, it's the daytime. I'm used to hearing them at night when it's cooler. I heard a robin. I don't want to stay in here too much longer because, you know, I'm in tall grass. I don't want to get stung by anything. And also, people checking on me. Oh, I heard it again. I'm hearing another new species over here. I want to see if I can... Let me see if I can get over here to it. Yeah, I definitely think meadow katydids prefer these tall grass fields like this. But I was hearing another new species right here. Is that it? What is... Yeah, look at that. I'm actually seeing a meadow katydid. Look at that. Focus, you stupid camera. Nice, look at that. I'm not sure what species it is. Does it even have wings? Is that a baby? I can't tell. But nice, I got to see one. All right. I think I'm gonna go over here now. I'm gonna walk now. I'm hearing the Robinson cicada still. This is definitely the most my area's had of them ever, I think. I actually want to see, I might walk down, I want to see if the pine meadow katydids call during the day, or if they're just a nighttime thing. Because I know most meadow katydids call during the day, the ones that I know. There's some handsome trigs. The common meadow katydids, the agile meadow katydids, the long-speared meadow katydids, all those call during the day from what I've heard. Wow, it sounds like there's common meadow katydids all over this right here. Nice. My area, I did just have the one, but now I guess I have multiple. I'm hearing a robin in here, I think. I think that one, that one meadow katydid I heard might have been a short-winged meadow katydid. Southern ground cricket. The best, from what I heard of it, I didn't hear much of it, but I think it might have been a short-winged meadow katydid. Wait, what's this? What am I hearing down this way? Oh, I think it's just another common meadow katydid. It sounds like it's right over there in that tall grass. I see a gray catbird flying. Handsome trigs over there I can hear. I would love to watch a common meadow katydid call. I know I watched a long-speared meadow katydid call before at my grandma's. Let me see if this one sounds kind of close. Let me see if I can see it. Oh, I'm hearing a swamp cicada. Those aren't real common. Oh, it sounds pretty close right here. I think the one over here sounds closer. Well, now it stopped. Hang on. There that one goes again. I'm hearing swamp cicadas. That's nice. Maybe they all hang out down here, and that's why I don't hear them around my house. Let's go to see if the pine meadow katydids are calling. Yeah, they are. I actually hear them. I don't know if you can. They're kind of faint. Now I don't even hear them anymore. I was hearing them, but then it stopped. I'm not hearing them anymore. I'm gonna go back. I was hearing one though. Now I'm hearing one. All right, I don't know how well the camera picked that up, but I was hearing one ever so slightly. I kind of doubt the camera got it though, and I just heard a gray catbird. There's these common meadow katydids again. I'm hearing one that sounds a little shorter. All right, I'm gonna go. Wow. I wonder if I'll hear any more along through this. It's funny that they all call during the day and they don't at night. even though research says they do call it at night and day. The agile meadow katydid in my neighbor's yard did call at night. I actually heard it. So that's kind of how I know these are. That's kind of how I knew it was a different species too, because the ones the ones down here were not calling when the one in my neighbor's yard was. Oh, people, look at that. People throwing their recycling out everywhere. Very bad. And trash too. Ugh. I'm hearing. What's that? What in the heck? Did you hear that? That sounded like a cicada. I don't know what. Oh wow. I wonder if it'll call. I think sometimes they make that sound when they're flying and then they bump into something. I couldn't tell just by that sound what species it. It just did another noise. Kind of trying to wait and see if it does anything else. Well, I think it's done now, so. Here's another car, of course. More trash. Hearing more common meadow katydids. Alright, I'm gonna go back over here and listen again. And see if I can hear that other species again. The one I thought might have been a short-winged meadow katydid. It's kind of what it sounded like to me. I'm not 100% sure though. I'm hearing the fall field cricket. I'm definitely not hearing as many as I was. I'm gonna go in here again and see if I hear anything, but if I don't, then yeah. I'm still hearing that common meadow katydid right here. I'm trying to listen and see if I hear any other meadow katydids though. Oh, I'm hearing something. I just heard something. I don't know if the camera got it. I think I'm hearing a short-winged meadow katydid right now. Wow, they're very quiet for a meadow katydid. Yeah, that's definitely a short-winged meadow katydid. I'm actually hearing it. All right, hopefully the camera got that. That definitely sounded like a short-winged meadow katydid. I didn't think they were that quiet, though. I mean, I knew they were quieter than the common meadow katydids, but I did not think they were that quiet. I could just barely pick up on it. I hope the camera got it. Southern ground crickets. I'm hearing more birds now. Oh, I hear a blue jay somewhere. I don't know if the camera got it. It was very faint. You might not be able to hear over all the wind. Oh, here comes a loud motor. Uh. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my God. Show off. Oh my God. That is so annoying. Why do people like, you want to know what I noticed? I actually do think they're trying to show off, because I looked over at them, and then both the people that were in the car looked over at me. I can still hear that crap. Hear it? But I think they are trying to show off, because I looked their way, and then both the guys looked over towards me, and then as soon as they looked at me, that's when they revved up their engine. I think they were doing it for show. Ugh. There's just seriously no point in that. Like, I hear a robin somewhere. What's that? Oh, it's a heat pump. I thought it. That's stupid. I thought it. There's that loud truck again. Oh, great. It's right next to my house, and I get to hear it when it leaves. It looks like they're gonna mow the grass next door. At least this grass isn't too tall, so not a lot of stuff should be living in it. All right. I'm home now, so I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.